Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and download all your media applications on your PlayStation 5. So if you're going to be watching, I don't know, like Netflix or something like that, you want to go up to the top with your D-pad and you can see games. And right next to it is media. So we can just go to here and we can see Twitch, Spotify, YouTube, etc. And here's my app library. But there is a section for all the applications. So if we go to Discover, kind of like the media store. And then we can go on down under here and we can see video. So we got all the video applications on top, Hulu, Prime Video, etc. And we can go to all apps. And we can go on down under here. And we can view what we can download on our PlayStation 5 now. And we can do the same thing for music. So we got the option for video on top, and then here's music. And we can look at them. So your applications for media will show up under this section instead of games. So you just want to switch on over from games to media, and you will see all your apps. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.